Alright, so this is not a Windows hate video. I've been on Windows most of my life, and right now, I'm seriously planning to ditch Windows 11 for a Mac M series for my personal SRE and DevOps work. And I want to explain why, because I think a lot of SREs will relate to this. For context, I'm a site reliability engineer. My laptop isn't just for browsing or Netflix. It's terminals, IDEs, Kubernetes, Docker, and so much more. So for me, battery life and stability matter more than raw specs. I tried to make Windows work. I really tried. I bought an Asus ZenBook laptop specifically for its battery life. That stood out the most in the Windows laptop market. On paper, it was great, but Windows 11 just gets in the way. The first thing I noticed, OneDrive. It was auto-syncing everything by default. I had to unlink it just to stop random background activity. And that's when it hit me. Windows does a lot of stuff you didn't even ask for. And here's the real problem. At the coffee shop, I'm in a deep flow, coding Java, everything is clicking, and then suddenly, battery life, 5 minutes remaining. Or worse, Windows updates wants to restart. That's the moment that kills your productivity. As a site reliability engineer, I literally design systems to avoid interruptions like this. And yet my laptop keeps interrupting me. Windows has background services, update services, sync services, telemetry, random stuff. None of it is catastrophic, but together, your battery drains faster than expected. Your fans randomly spin up and performance becomes unpredictable. And this is why I'm switching to a Mac. Probably the M5, not because it's trendy, not because Mac is better, but because of the simple things. Real all-day battery life, predictable performance, no forced restarts, and fewer background services. I want a laptop that works for me for 8 to 10 hours without thinking about power, and that's it. You charge your laptop home, take it to the coffee shop, and you can be in a deep flow state without thinking about what can go wrong. The Mac OS isn't perfect, Docker can be weird, homebrew breaks sometimes, permissions can be annoying, but I'll take these problems over battery anxiety, force updates, or force Copilot advertisement every single time. As SREs, we obsess over reliability, but we don't talk enough about developer reliability. If your tools constantly interrupt you, that's technical debt. And right now, Windows feels like technical debt to me. That's why I'm dishing Windows 11. If you're an SRE or DevOps engineer, what are you using right now? Windows, Mac, or Linux? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'm genuinely curious. And if you want more real-world SRE content like this, subscribe. I talk about tools, careers, and what actually works in practice. See you in the next video.